Imagine if we could increase farmers' profit whilst improving animal welfare. Australia is known as a beef-producing nation. We have around 27 million head of cattle here. And the Australian agriculture industry, 58% of ag businesses have cattle. Across the globe, there's 90 million cattle in the USA and 1.4 billion cattle across the world. But with agriculture, not much has changed over the last 150 years. We still walk around to get cattle into yards, and we put them on scales to measure them. But because of that, we don't really have an accurate understanding of what's happening with our cattle as they grow. This can be a real challenge. And because of this labour-intensive process, it's also very stressful on animals because of the mustering and handling that happens along the way. But farmer profitability can be dramatically increased if we use precision management tools. We will regularly monitor stock as they move about the paddock, allowing farmers to know how many kilos of beef they have in the paddock at any point in time. Our solution will also allow us to see which mothers have fast-growing progeny, so we can help with genetics. And the data will give us yield forecasting, which is valuable not only to the farmer, but also to the finance and insurance industries. We're achieving this using our camera-based, touch-free monitoring system, combining computer vision, image analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We produce a volumetric assessment of an animal, and that allows us to calculate weight. By monitoring the animals, we're also able to understand their behaviour, leading to early detection of possible disease, and of course that has biosecurity implications. My name is Cameron Leeson. I work in hardware and drone development. I have a Bachelor of Planning and Design. My background throughout my career has been predominantly in design. I run a community makerspace in Brunswick where we get lots of smart people together, and that's where I met Mohammed. Mohammed Bouyan is my business partner. He's a software engineer with a Bachelor of Computer Science. He works on highly scalable data systems as a software developer, and he's very much a big data specialist. So together, Mohammed and I have mapped out a plan to take our technology to market, with a couple of trials in the Australian market over the next few months as part of the SproutX program. We'll then move to the US, and from there, tackle the globe. We are an early stage business, and we'd love to connect with anybody who has a sharing of our vision of applying cutting-edge technology to improve farmers' profit and animal welfare. And if you've got a keen eye there, you notice we're also looking for show cows. We're particularly interested in connecting with you if you're a show cow, because we understand that your docile temperament will be really valuable to us, because you'll be a great candidate for us to test some of our technology on. Thank you very much.